One-Wheel XR Classic blends modern innovation with nostalgic design, creating a unique ride that offers the best of both worlds. With enhanced power electronics and a redesigned platform, this board is a powerhouse for riders seeking both performance and comfort. Offering up to 24 miles of range, the XR Classic pushes boundaries, whether navigating streets or conquering trails. The revamped drivetrain, featuring a 75-volt system, delivers impressive acceleration and a smoother ride. In a world moving faster by the second, precision tools like Kublet become essential companions. This simple, tiny, yet powerful data tracker fits right into your everyday life without the need for complexity. With Kublet, you stay informed at a glance, whether it's monitoring the weather, keeping tabs on stocks, tracking your wallet health, or checking your UST yield performance. Health-conscious users can rely on Kublet for real-time blood sugar updates, helping to maintain balance wherever they are. The Gourmet Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, this Gourmet ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. The Viora dual-head fan is engineered to provide a powerful and versatile cooling solution for any environment. With its innovative dual-head design, it ensures 360-degree airflow, creating a consistent breeze across all areas. The 8,000 mAh battery offers extended operation, keeping you cool for hours without needing constant recharging. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, the fan's portability makes it easy to take anywhere. The Alpaca Vertex pouch is a versatile and practical solution for those looking for an organized, sleek, and weather-resistant accessory. Designed with the modern traveler and daily commuter in mind, this men's sling bag combines functionality with style. The bag features 3 large compartments, providing ample space for your daily essentials, including your iPad mini, electronic devices, and accessories. The Move Engine Air Core OWH redefines what wireless headphones can sound and feel like. Forgoing the trend of closed-back over-design, these headphones adopt a bold, open-back architecture enhanced by their unique AirCore hollow acoustic structure. This isn't just a design choice, it's a philosophy that embraces space, detail, and realism. With a carefully tuned neutral sound signature, the AirCore OWH resists exaggerated highs or swollen lows, aiming instead for purity and precision that mirrors a high-end speaker setup. Born from centuries of refinement in elite oral care, this tool reshapes modern hygiene with ancient precision. Forged from Yugi, a revered copper alloy used by traditional artisans, this tongue scraper ensures a clean, refreshed mouth every time. At 5.9 inches long and precision curved for optimal reach, it gently sweeps away buildup, revitalizing your breath and restoring balance to your oral ecosystem. This isn't mass-produced. It's handcrafted, designed with purpose and respect for time-honored wellness rituals. The JetBot Combo AI stands at the forefront of robotic cleaning innovation, blending advanced technology and user-friendly features to deliver exceptional cleaning performance. With its AI object recognition and 3D obstacle avoidance sensor, the JetBot Combo AI effectively identifies obstacles, ensuring it navigates around furniture, walls, and other objects with precision. This allows the robot to deep clean without damaging your surroundings. Banala Focus Dot offers a revolutionary approach to mental clarity and productivity. By utilizing advanced isochronic sound technology, this device helps to sharpen focus, boost concentration, and unlock your potential. Its powerful sound frequencies work seamlessly to enhance cognitive function, ensuring you remain in a highly productive state for longer periods. The device's compact design ensures portability, making it easy to integrate into your daily routine. iLick is a dynamic and interactive robot that brings fun and companionship to anyone seeking an engaging experience. Designed with an emotional touch, iLick reacts to various interactions by expressing a wide range of emotions. Tap its head, belly, or back and watch it change moods, from gentle to playful, or even temperamental. Its reactions are designed to match your touch, making each moment a unique experience. Ideal for both children and adults, iLick offers an array of mini games to enjoy. Crafted for those who value precision and security, the Oh My Key offers a seamless blend of biometric innovation and personal control. This isn't just another access tool, it's a fingerprint-secured device built to match your pace, your privacy, and your priorities. With your fingerprint as the key, Oh My Key transforms your fingertip into your identity, giving you one personalized touchpoint for access to what matters most. Built on a foundation of biometric access, Oh My Key eliminates the need for traditional keys or vulnerable passwords. Crafted for professionals who demand clarity, performance, and data integrity on the go, this 7-in-1 USB-C hub with integrated M.2 SSD enclosure elevates your workflow to the next level. The vivid touchscreen offers intuitive control, allowing real-time SSD health monitoring, toggling read-only mode, and fan speed adjustment, all without launching software. Transform your workspace with the ErgoTune Hexon, designed to elevate both comfort and efficiency. Crafted for those who demand personalized productivity, this modular system adapts to your unique needs, offering the flexibility to arrange and customize your desk setup like never before. With its user-centric design, the ErgoTune Hexon ensures that every element of your workspace aligns with your specific preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a more dynamic, multifunctional setup, this system allows you to mix and match components for a truly tailored experience. The TP-Link TLWR302X travel router is a compact yet powerful device designed for seamless internet connectivity during travel. Offering a multi-gig portable solution, it supports OpenVPN and WireGuard, ensuring secure connections no matter where you are. Whether you're in a hotel, on a cruise, or navigating airports, this router provides reliable and fast Wi-Fi, making it ideal for public Wi-Fi sharing. Engineered for professionals who demand uncompromising control over their workstation layout, the Aries Wing dual monitor arm sets a new standard for stability, strength, and adjustability, designed to accommodate ultra-wide and curved monitors ranging from 17 to 49 inches. This vertical stacking system supports up to 22 pounds per arm, making it ideal for creative pros, developers, and traders alike. When your lifestyle demands mobility without compromising entertainment quality, the LG Standby ME Go delivers a premium cinematic experience packed inside a durable, modern briefcase-style design. Built for life on the move, this 27-inch touchscreen is fully enclosed in a rugged shell that opens to reveal a versatile smart display. With a built-in battery that lasts up to 3 hours, it frees you from outlets and messy cables, offering true wireless viewing wherever your day takes you. In a world awash with Pixel 6 screens and dopamine loops, clarity feels like a luxury. But what if the tool you use to read, think, and create could do less harm while helping you do more? The Paper 7 doesn't chase your gaze with glitter. It offers calm. It restores a space where thought, expression, and comfort belong together. This is not another screen. It's a pause in the static. Meet Paper 7, an all-day color paper tablet engineered to prioritize your well-being and creative rhythm. The Granista Professional Grinder elevates your coffee experience with its innovative design, providing a superior grind every time. With a built-in scale, it ensures precise measurements, helping you achieve the perfect cup. The grinder features a 64mm flat burr system that consistently produces uniform grounds, crucial for maximizing flavor extraction. Offering 48 adjustable coarseness levels, it caters to all brewing methods, from espresso to French press. When breathing efficiency matters most, precision training tools like the BreathMax Dual Tip Spirometer redefine what's possible. Designed to fit seamlessly into your routine, this compact device strengthens lung muscles, enhances airflow, and supports recovery, whether you're seated at your desk or pacing through a high-altitude trail. Engineered with dual resistance tips, it offers tailored inhalation and exhalation resistance to train both sides of your breathing process. The self-balance chair brings an innovative approach to improving posture and comfort for those who spend long hours seated. Designed to promote proper alignment, it naturally encourages a horseback riding posture that helps maintain balance and reduces strain on the body. Ideal for office workers, students, or anyone who sits for extended periods, the chair offers effortless support and relief. With its unique movement system, the chair mimics the motion of horseback riding, providing gentle back support and stretching the muscles. Tired of bland, store-bought plant-based milk filled with thickeners and preservatives? Step into the modern kitchen with a smarter solution that gives you full control over ingredients, texture, and freshness without the additives. The Smart Home plant-based milk maker transforms raw ingredients into silky, nutrient-rich milk with precision and ease, right from your countertop. This sleek countertop appliance uses high-speed blending and controlled heating to extract milk from your favorite ingredients like almonds, oats, soybeans, and cashews. The Zen X Carbon foldable seat is designed to offer exceptional comfort and support while ensuring easy portability and long-lasting durability. Featuring a larger seating area with soft memory foam padding, this seat provides a high level of comfort that improves your posture, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or long hours spent sitting. The addition of a pocket allows for convenient storage of small items, keeping your essentials close at hand. Elevating refinement without shouting for attention, the amzn.to introduces a deliberate evolution in smartwatches, built for those who value balance over noise. With a full-size display embedded in a classic silhouette and powered by a new intelligent chipset, amzn.to delivers essential features in a timeless frame. Designed using sustainable materials and forged from 2 years of community insight, this timepiece isn't trying to keep up. It's leading quietly. When nightfall blankets the landscape and visibility drops, the Tevele telescopic lantern stands ready to illuminate your surroundings with authority. Emitting up to 800 lumens of crisp, wide-angle light, this compact powerhouse adapts to your needs with adjustable height and intelligent brightness control. The built-in smart remote gives you hands-free command over light intensity and mode, whether you're deep in the woods or sheltering during a blackout. Imagine turning your workspace into a command center. One hub, total control. The Dock Studio Smart USB-C Hub 8-in-1 isn't just an accessory, it's a professional upgrade built for power users who demand speed and clarity. Up front, a vibrant touchscreen gives real-time insight into power delivery, data transfers, and device activity because control should be visual. Dual CF Express Type A and Type B card slots make it a photographer's dream, reading massive files in seconds. Revolutionize your fitness journey with a cutting-edge home gym that offers personalized training like no other. This smart home gym takes the guesswork out of exercise, automatically adjusting the resistance to match your strength levels and helping you progress at your own pace. With a comprehensive range of expert-led workouts from strength training to yoga, mobility, and high-intensity interval training, you have everything you need to build a versatile fitness routine. A modern solution for ambient lighting, the Hemela C05 redefines convenience and elegance in a compact form. This wireless wall sconce blends practical features with minimalist design to enhance any room without the hassle of cords or permanent wiring. Built with a 10,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery and certified for safety, it delivers reliable, long-lasting illumination, perfect for daily use without constant recharging. The Couch Console Original Tray is an innovative solution for those who enjoy relaxing with snacks, drinks, and remote controls at hand. This practical and versatile caddy offers a sturdy armrest table with ample storage for your essentials. With a sleek black and orange design, it complements any living room, RV, or car interior. Whether you're watching TV, lounging, or traveling, this organizer ensures your items are neatly stored and easily accessible. The Bird Buddy Smart Hummingbird Feeder and Smart Bird Bath provide a unique opportunity to connect with nature in your own backyard. Offering an innovative way to observe and identify hummingbirds, these devices use an advanced AI-powered recognition system to identify each bird that visits. With built-in cameras, both the feeder and bird bath capture stunning photos and videos, allowing you to enjoy incredible up-close shots of your favorite tiny visitors. The Sam & Johnny open-ear headphones are engineered to provide exceptional sound quality and comfort with the latest in audio technology. These headphones leverage Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for seamless pairing, ensuring a stable and powerful connection with your devices. Featuring innovative bone and air conduction dual speakers, the headphones deliver a unique listening experience that keeps you aware of your surroundings while offering crisp, clear audio. The magnetic microphone enhances the clarity of calls, making them ideal for hands-free conversations on the go. Built for those who demand more than just head protection, this next-generation helmet redefines what it means to ride smart. With cutting-edge tech woven into its carbon fiber shell, it delivers uncompromising strength and seamless connectivity. Whether carving back roads or commuting downtown, this helmet becomes your command center. It features a Bluetooth intercom for rider-to-rider communication within a limited range and a walkie-talkie via app that works across any distance with cellular connection. Crank up the volume by the pool, in the shower, or on the trail. This rugged speaker is engineered for any environment. Built to perform under pressure, it handles water, dust, and impact with ease. Whether clipped to your backpack or floating beside you in the hot tub, this compact device doesn't just survive, it thrives. With 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can soundtrack your entire day without reaching for the charger. And when the sun goes down, it's still going strong, keeping the vibe alive through nightfall. When searing summer heat or bone-chilling cold threatens your comfort in the wild, the EcoFlow Wave 3 delivers dependable climate control without compromise. This compact powerhouse pushes out a robust 6,100 British thermal units of cooling and 6,800 British thermal units of heating, backed by a potent 1,800 watts cooling system and 2,000 watts heating capacity. Wherever you set up camp or tailgate, reliable support and smart organization make the difference. Kangaroo Porter delivers exactly that, combining mobility, storage, and a stable table surface into one efficient solution. Built to withstand the elements, it features a weather-resistant,